Hi guys! So we're back. Sino to? Mr. Teddy Bear! Ba't andito ka ulit?
Kasi ang pangit ko.
Asan si Tinay?
Nasa body ko.
Ilabas mo siya, ilabas mo siya, ilabas mo siya. Pag nag-wiggle ka, ilalabas mo na siya. Ayun na, nag-wiggle siya. Ayun na! So guys, joke lang yun. So gagawin naman ngayon ay funny video ulit. Part 2. Okay, it's time for the round 1!
It's time for the round.
Pancake.
Flip na yung pancake.
Mag-wiggle na yung pancake. Okay, i-flip na ulit yung pancake. Hindi na ako makapag-ika.
Ano pang gusto nyo? Comment below.
Yes.
Anong sunod namin gagawin?
It's time for the round 2.
It's time for the round.
What? What are you saying? Kiss, can you tell me what she's saying? What? What are you saying, bro? Just stop it. Okay, it's time for round 3. Time for round 3.
It's time for the round.
Time for the round 3.
It's time for the round.
Hi guys! Ako naging unicorn.
Tapos ako naman naging teddy bear.
Bakit sa akin ka nakatingin, Tinay? Doon ka tumingin sa video.
Siyempre, sa'yo ako nakatingin. Saan pa ba?
Sa kapitbahay. Ano yun?
May nakakulog lang. Wag na yun.
Pabayaan na natin. Okay guys, so gagawin namin ngayon ay... Ay, ba't mo ako nabigula?
It's time for the round.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Wala, may angry monster. Hulin ako. It's time for the round. It's time for the round.
Doon ka, bilis! Kunyari na. Hi guys! So, ito nga pala si Teddy. So, nakasakay nga pala siya sa ating crate. Inaayos lang po siya ni Tina. Wait lang po.
Please, layong pa.
Ayan na po. Aandar na po ang ating crate. Hala na po pa! Wait lang guys. Dapat nakapahiga siya. Okay. Ay!
Wait lang guys,
Wait lang,
stop
guys.
muna. Hi guys,
Sabihin mo ang walang mo.
I am the new member of the video. I am the new member. You hear me?
What's your name?
My name is Barbecue. My name is Barbecue.
Wala daw ay pasok sa Lunes. Modular na naman. Sa Monday, oh. Modular na naman. Alam, may message.
No, my real name is Felice. You hear it? What? What is it? I have no ears because they
Okay,
fried it.
we're done.
Oh, wait.
Okay, so guys, balik na tayo. So, balik na tayo dito sa teddy bear natin na mag-play. Okay! Ayan na siya! Okay, guys. So, part 6. It's part 6. Oh, sorry, guys. It was part 7. It's time for the round.
Hello.
Wet.
Hello.
Spider-Man! G.
Oh no! The lights are flickering! Ah! I'm drowning!
Chop.
It's time for the round. Blood is dripping.
Oh no. R.I.P. Teddy Bear. Again.
I wanna run.
Wait guys. Time first. Break time.
I wanna run. Please stop. Fly.
It's time for the round 10.